Today we're going to prepare some typical English fare. Today we're going to make Yorkshire pudding. First, grab a large mixing bowl and sieve 140 grams of plain flour into the bowl. Break 4 eggs in and beat until smooth. Next, gradually add 200 ml of milk and carry on beating until the mix is completely lump-free and season with salt and pepper. Heat the oven to 230 Celsius. Next, grab 2 12-hole non-stick muffin tins and place into the oven and heat thoroughly. Pour the batter into a jug, then remove the hot tins from the oven. Carefully and evenly pour the batter into the holes. Place the trays back into the oven and leave undisturbed for 20 to 30 minutes until the puddings have puffed up and browned. Serve immediately. You can now cool them and freeze them for up to 1 month. And that's how simple it is to cook Yorkshire pudding. For these and many other delicious recipes, subscribe to my channel, Philip Gale's Cooking Recipes. And until next time, bye for now.